Hello, everyone. Welcome to Vocablish B. Today, we will learn useful shopping English sentences. These sentences will help you speak English in shops and markets. Let's start.
Hello, I want to buy something. Hello, मैं कुछ खरीदना चाहती हूँ. Repeat after me. Hello, I want to buy something. Can you help me? क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? Repeat after me. Can you help me? How much is this? ये कितने का है? Repeat after me. How much is this? It is too expensive. ये बहुत महंगा है. Repeat after me. It is too expensive. Do you have another size? क्या उसका दूसरा size है? Repeat after me. Do you have another size? Do you have this in another color? क्या ये किसी और रंग में है? Repeat after me. Do you have this in another color? Can you give me a discount? क्या आप मुझे डिस्काउंट दे सकते हैं? Repeat after me. Can you give me a discount? That is too much. ये बहुत ज़्यादा है. Repeat after me. That is too much. I will take this. मैं यह ले लूँगा. Repeat after me. I will take this. Please pack this. बराह करम उसे पैक कर दें. Repeat after me. Please pack this. Now practice with me. How much is this? How much is this? Can you give me a discount? Can you give me a discount? Great job! Practice these sentences every day. Write one sentence in the comments. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to Vocablish B for more English speaking practice videos. See you in the next lesson.